Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable press volume up to answer incoming calls on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. Next, go down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on interaction and dexterity. And in here, tap on answering and ending calls. Next, tap on press volume up to answer. So tap on this switch to turn it on, turn it off. So we can test it out. I'm just going to give myself a call, and you can see once there is an incoming call, I can answer the call by pressing on the volume up key in here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.